How do you remove the handle on a Samsung RSH1DLBG American style fridge? I need to remove the handle in order to replace the glass panel.
Hi, welcome to Just Answer. My name is. I look forward to helping you. On the bottom of the handle there should be small Allen screws that are loosened to remove the handle.
The handle is a vertical bar with 4 small horizontal bars that attach to the freezer. The 4 small horizontal bars have a small hole on the underside, but I can't see into the hole due to their close proximity to the freezer and the vertical bar. Is this where the Allen screws are? Regards, Martin.
Correct, there are posts that the horizontal bars attach to on the door. Loosening the screws will allow them to pull free from those posts.
I have managed to get a closer look using small mirror, and there are no Allen screws. All I can see is a metal bar running through the outer horizontal plastic bits.
Odd, that must be a different design I am unfamiliar with. I will place your question back to the list for others to see in case another may know that particular style.
Hi, did you get any further with my question?
If you look at the actual stud that is sticking out of the door, you will see a small hole under it near the door side. Force a thin flat-bladed screwdriver in the hole and turn it until it seems to be lining up with the screw head. Once you are happy with this, then force it in as far as it will go and turn the screwdriver through 90 degrees. There is a clip inside the stud that locks on a pin. You have to open the clip and then turning it disengages it from the stud. It's not easy and quite fiddly if you don't have the correct screwdriver. You have to do this at each mounting point, pulling the door handle each time at each stud. Do not force the handle, they are as brittle as egg shells.
I have finally done it. Very fiddly but sorted. Now I have sorted the door, the water is not dispensing. The water supply is okay and the ice is dispensing. Do you know what could cause the problem?
If you look at the water chiller behind the lower salad drawers in the fridge side, you will see chiller bottle. Firstly, check that this is not frozen. Very common on these, then come back to me.
There is some ice on the cover. Does that mean it is frozen?
Yes, it sounds like the defrost system in the freezer side has failed. This usually causes the water chiller to freeze up. If you give me your phone number, I will call you and we can do some simple checks to confirm this.
It is 01325351993 Martin.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.